name. I got a name. And I carry it with me like my daddy did. But I'm living the dream that he kept here. Rolling me down the highway. Rolling me down the highway.
And that's what I'm doing, folks. I am moving down the highway. I am heading out all across Thunder Bay area and everywhere like that. I have a friend named Daniel. I will be popping in, brother, to visit you. I have a shirt for you. I will be handing out a few shirts as I'm out here running for Premier. After all, I am the lone wolf, and that's exactly what it's going to say. Activist against the government since 2002. And I look forward to traveling. I look forward to moving all across different parts of Ontario just to meet different people. Because let's face it, coming out of Toronto, Canada, running for Premier will be exciting. I already don't get along with the Toronto Sun. And of course, we know the Toronto Star owns the Hamilton Spectator. So you won't be hearing much of me through either one of those places. You will at CP24 News, Global News, I will be talking. Let's get ready for a show. Let's get ready for a person talking about the monetary system, real things, real ideas, real. That's what I am.